It is a different kind of video I'm doing today, but I'm going to be taking a mycotoxin test. So as some of you might know, I have been struggling for quite some time now. It's been like 10 months of struggling with inflammation in my TMJ area, and just feel like my eustachian tubes just are not working because I just have my ears always feel full and clogged, and there's a pressure and it's so uncomfortable. I've thought I've had TMJ issues, so I have an orthotic on for that. I've spent thousands and thousands of dollars on that and just trying to get better, and I'm not getting better. So it's been super discouraging. But we recently found some mold in our washer, and it was a decent amount of mold. And then we also realized that about a year ago we did have a water leak upstairs, and I'm home all the time because I work from home. So now we're considering oh, maybe what if mold is causing this inflammation in my body? I don't know. We might be going down a totally wrong road. But we figured it would be worth a try. We did order a ERMI, it's the ERMI test, to take an actual sample of our house, of areas in our house. Basically, you're taking a dust sample, and we're going to be getting those results probably the beginning of next week. But so that way we can see if there is any dangerous mold going on there from the water damage. But I am also taking a mycotoxin test. It is basically a urine sample that you do, and it'll tell you what mycotoxins you have in your body. You could also get mycotoxins from your food, from products. So it could come from a variety of things, but it's possible that this water damage in our home could also be putting mold in my body. So basically we're just gonna see if it is, and I just figured I would show you guys a little unboxing of the test. If you are going to be taking a mycotoxin test, maybe you came across this video because you're looking for some examples of people doing this test. So this is from the lab Mosaic Diagnostics. They used to be called Great Plains Lab, but now they are Mosaic Diagnostics. So I'm going to show you guys me just unboxing the whole thing, tell you what is included. So you of course get all of your instructions and everything in here. They tell you exactly how to do the sample. It also does come with a prepaid shipping label, so it's going to have the shipping label and also the little envelope that you're actually going to be mailing it in as well. So you get all of that, so that's really nice. You don't have to go and pay for your own shipping label. But I did get this through a integrative health practitioner. I found her online, so that's who was able to order the test for me. You can't order it yourself, but I'll put her information below if you want to maybe get this test yourself. And she's great because she does not require you to have an appointment with her first and pay $100 so just to see her. Obviously you can do that as well if you want additional guidance, but basically she's kind of like a naturopath where she looks at the root cause of issues. So anyway, I just think that she's great because she'll give you a protocol without requiring you to spend hundreds of dollars on actual appointments. If you don't want to, you can still get help. But anyway, just thought I would mention that. This is giving you all of the things for taking your sample. So you're going to get this little cup. This is your actual sample cup. This is what you're going to be peeing in. And there are instructions on how to do this as well, exactly when to do it. And then it also comes with an ice pack, and you're supposed to put this in the freezer, I believe for 4 hours, at least 4 hours before you ship out your pee sample. I guess that's the way of preserving it. So you do that as well. And then you also get this little thing here. So basically you're going to be putting this in here as well as the urine sample in here, and then putting it of course in the shipping bag and then shipping it out. And they do use UPS, or at least the practitioner that I'm seeing, she is using UPS. So that is what we're gonna do. And then after I send the sample in and the lab is able to read it and get the results, then my results are going to be sent to the practitioner that I'm seeing, and then she will be able to go over the results with me. So super quick video, but I just wanted to share that. Also, it looks like for actually taking the sample, you are supposed to take it right in the morning. And basically you're supposed to also limit your liquids, so limit drinking a lot of water because that can kind of dilute the sample. So that's how they say to do it. Really pretty simple and straightforward. So I'm gonna be doing that, and I will be shipping out my sample then tomorrow morning. So yeah, I just thought I would share this little video. If you guys want me to do a video sharing my results, I'd be happy to do that. But yeah, so this is a mycotoxin sample. It's supposed to tell all of the different mycotoxins that you have in your body, if you have any dangerous ones going on or anything like that, that could be potentially causing you some health issues. So we'll see. I'm very curious to see. It's like I low-key kind of want me to have mycotoxins, even though it would be a pain, but I low-key want, because I want real answers so that I can get better and finally know, okay, maybe this is what's causing the inflammation, and then finally be able to heal. I'm hoping, kind of, but also apparently getting mold out of your body can be really hard too. But anyway, I just want some answers, and hopefully this will help give me some answers. But yeah, so that is it for today's video. If you want to see my results, let me know. I can do another video. But I hope you guys are all well, in good health, doing better than I am. I know I sound fine, but I can kind of talk in short bursts, but yeah, today has not been a good day. I've not been feeling great. My ears feel terrible. Anyway, that's it for today's video.